In today's video, I will teach you how to add falling snow to a photo in GIMP. Let's get started. Adding falling snow to a photo in GIMP can give it a beautiful wintry effect. Here's a step-by-step guide to achieve this. Start by launching GIMP and opening the image that you want to add a snow to. You can do this by going to File, then Open, or simply by pressing Ctrl-O on your keyboard. Then navigate to your image file and click Open. Now we're going to create a new layer to apply the snow effect. Start by pressing D to reset the foreground and background colors to default. Then go to Layer, then select New Layer, or simply press Shift-Ctrl-N. Name the layer Snow Effect, and choose foreground color for the fill type. Then click OK. Now we're going to apply the RGB noise filter to the snow effect layer. To do this, go to Filters, then Noise, then select RGB Noise. Then set the red, green, blue, and alpha values to 1. And make sure to uncheck Correlated Noise and Independent RGB. And once you're done, you can click OK. Now, ensure the snow effect layer is still selected. Now go to Filters, Blur, then Pixelize. Then set the pixel height and width to 8. Then click OK. Now, keep the snow effect layer selected. Then go to Filters, Blur, then Motion Blur. Then choose Linear for blur type. Then set length to 10 and angle to 52. Then click OK. And fine-tune the amount of snow by using levels. You can do this by going to Color, then Levels. Adjust the input level slider until you achieve the desired snow effect. Then click OK when satisfied. And finally, you can save your project file in GIMP's native file format for future editing. You can do this by going to File, then click Save, or press Ctrl-S. Then choose a name and location for your file, and click Save. Optionally, you can export the image in a widely used format like JPEG or a PNG by going to File, then Export. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.